Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends. Now we've come to the last but not the least, the most important parametrics, saying that what really is customer satisfaction and how does it differ from customer delight. There are two different parameters, two different sides of the same coin, I would say. So I will definitely focus on telling you how we can differentiate between customer delight and customer satisfaction. Customer delight is basically when we create a wow factor to our customer satisfaction. So, which means the customer satisfaction has exceeded more than what the customer had expected. And that is when it has created a delight to the customer, and so the customer has now created a wow factor for him. It's very important for us to understand that there are levels of reaching to customer delight. To reach those levels, there are certain parameters that we need to cross. It's very important also to understand that every customer is not a delighted customer and every customer is not a satisfied customer. A delighted customer would always have a feeling that the expectations are not only met, they have exceeded. So when a customer exceeds his expectation, he reaches to the delightment level. A customer who's met his expectation is a satisfied customer. Let's look at the three major elements for considering customer delight. The three major elements is number one, satisfaction, number two, delight, and number three, loyalty. When we say satisfaction, you did enough for the customer to be satisfied. That's something which is called satisfaction. The next is delight, which means you did above and beyond the customer's satisfaction level. The third is loyalty. Loyalty means that the customer is so much satisfied, or it has gone up to more than up to his expectation, that he is a loyal customer and he would get back to you, leaving all the competitors aside, even if there are many, but coming to your brand and being a real loyal customer to your services only. Now this loyal customer also does one more thing, that he becomes a brand ambassador and he creates an advertisement for your brand through his circle of relatives, friends. And now he's also a referral to you. So he brings in all the referrals, and that's when he's reached the top level, which is the loyalty as a loyal customer of the brand. So three major elements that we need to remember to focus when we talk about customer delight is satisfaction, delight, and loyalty. Turning a satisfied customer into a delighted customer can bring tremendous benefits to your brand. Blanchard's 2007 Leading to a Higher Level states that companies must go merrily beyond satisfied your customers, not only to keep your customers satisfied, but also to pull the new customers in. It is a fundamental insight within every customer to create the fondness within their own brand and company, which exceeds expectations and creates a lasting impression. A delighted customer is more likely to purchase more than the satisfied customer. Creating a liking for the brand for the customers creates that company to heighten their customers' expectations beyond and above their expectation. So it's very important, friends, to understand that if your company has amazing level of customer care services, then your customer service skills will reach to the excellence. So now, after seeing this video, you've realized that there is a vast difference between customer satisfaction and customer delight. Customer delight has to go for a long way, for a continuous development and growth for your own organization to reach up to the peak of customers' expectation, where above and beyond you go from the customer's expectation to the customer satisfaction, reach up to the delight, to the wow and amazing factor that you create for your own brand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Since I have now given you some insights, I hope that there will be a lot of implementation that you can do on your own business. Thank you so much to keep your patience, friends. Please stay tuned to Ekeeda and keep watching our channel.